Hi guys, how are you all? First of all, thank you so much for your outstanding response in my yesterday's video, which I posted on this PGMI test with my Neo 7 Pro. It got a great response, so very thankful to you all guys. And today I'm making this video on Fortnite. Well, as you all know that Fortnite is a very heavy graphic game, and I don't know why nobody wants to talk about Fortnite while testing a smartphone. And as this Neo 7 Pro is heavily loaded with the Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 processor with this independent gaming chip, so I'm really excited to test this Fortnite on this iqoo smartphone. So let's get started. uh, well, very excited to play this game on this Neo 7 Pro. Well guys, as you can see that there are some frame drops which I can notice, and this can be seen on the screen as well. Well, as it is loaded with the Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 with the independent gaming chip, so I was not expecting this, but still, I should definitely work on this feature. And yeah, guys, one more thing that I'm not able to see the game space feature which the iqoo has introduced, that is the critical animations and all the frame rate boost mode, because here we can see that there are some frame rates which are missing. So to compensate that, frame boost mode should be there, but it somehow the other, this game is lagging on some points, that it is not working very smooth. But yeah, it is a very okay type of an experience. uh, it is handling this game, but not up to 100%, but 70 to 80% it is handling very well. Well, anyways, just enjoy the graphics, the animations, the multicolors. The animations are popping out. Very good 3D experience the Fortnite is giving to the users. Definitely, Fortnite should become a trend in India. And wow, you can see the animation, very marvelous experience. uh, in PUBG or in BGMI, I have not seen these type of animations, to be very honest. But yeah, I love this game, and more than BGMI or PUBG, you can see the wow, the type of guns, the type of weapons, the animations it is offering. It is very good, very commendable. Well, guys, now it's time for my final verdict on this fortnight on my Neo 7 Pro. Well, as you all have seen and heard in this previous clip when I was playing Fortnite, so obviously I was very excited to play Fortnite on this, but I was very surprised, and was it was a kind of a setback for me, that when I was playing Fortnite, so according to me the game was not running smoothly on this Neo 7 Pro. Some optimizations need to be done on this, because as it is a very heavy graphic games, more than I guess around 6 GB of storage, it consumes in the smartphone. So obviously, anyone can say that the game is quite heavy to play, but still I was not very satisfied. But as I was seeing what kind of graphics, what kind of colors the Neo 7 Pro was giving me, it was a kind of okay experience, not very good, but still, if you are a PUBG lover, if you are a BGMI lover, you should definitely consider Fortnite as well while playing this game on this Neo 7 Pro. But yeah, guys, if you'll take my opinion into the consideration, and a request from my side to the iqoo team, that you should definitely do some of the optimization for especially the Fortnite game, because as the smartphone is really very capable of handling these type of graphic games, and people love these games. But in nowadays, people are really going after the BGMI or PUBG, but a new trend should be set by this smartphone for Fortnite. Yeah, guys, one more thing which I want to convey this to the iqoo team, that why I'm saying that Fortnite is not optimized according to this Neo 7 Pro, because when I was playing Fortnite, I was not getting the game space feature which the iqoo has introduced, like 4D vibrations, block notification, block calls, and the frame boost mode, which iqoo is very much selling it. So as everybody knows that Fortnite is a very heavy game, so these features should work on Fortnite as well. So just a request from my side that iqoo should optimize these features according to the Fortnite, and if these optimizations are done, then it would be a clincher. It would be a clincher for the smartphone industry, because the gamers would love to play Fortnite on this miraculous smartphone. And yeah, everybody is loving the smartphone, and if this is done, it would be a thumbs up from my side and from every gamer's point of view. And yeah, guys, one more thing, it is a humble request that as it is my new channel, so please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you can never miss a video whenever I upload the content on this channel.